Hi everyone, it's Joy, the Director of Education at PBS Reno, and today I have a joyful moment to share with you. We're gonna make an I Spy bottle. So what you're gonna need is an old plastic water bottle. You're going to need some plain rice. You can just keep it white, or you can add some food color, and that's what I'm gonna do. And then you need something that you're gonna hide in your bottle. For me, I picked beads that have letters on them. You might just pick pom-poms, glitter, stars, whatever you want to put in your I Spy bottle. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna take my rice and I'm gonna color it. So I'm gonna make one bag with red rice and one bag with blue rice, and then I'm gonna keep one bag of white. So I'm gonna add my blue here. All right, then I'm gonna seal them up really well, and I'm gonna shake them around so that all the rice gets that color on it. So fun. All right, I have my red rice now. Let's do it with the blue. Zip it up really well, and then shake it around. Make all that rice get the blue on it. There we go. All right, so now I have 3 colors of rice. Now I need to pour that rice into these bottles. So I'm gonna start, this might be messy, but I like making messes. I'm gonna start by pouring some of the red into the bottle. There goes my mess, but it's also getting in the bottle. Now I'm gonna put some of my letter beads in here. Now I'm gonna add some blue rice. You can also mix all this together in a bowl ahead of time. It would be a little bit less messy probably. I'm gonna add a few more beads. Now I'm gonna put some white. And then I'm gonna end it with letters. All right. See, I didn't fill it all the way because you wanna be able to shake it and move it. So I'm gonna put my lid on. And I'm gonna shake it and move it. And then you can tell the person that you give this to, I want you to find the letter A. And they have to look in the bottle until they can spot, oh, I found one, the letter A. And then you can keep going and play I Spy with your kids, with your friends, whoever you want. Find the letters in the bottle. If you want to do more fun activities, check out our website at pbsreno.org. Thanks for joining me.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to see more joyful moments. And you can find other fun activities at pbsreno.org.